All right. Second factor affecting reaction rate. How about this one? This one's a little bit harder to understand. Increased, how about surface area? Jay, you okay? Surface area. All right. Now, what happens if I take, let's say this is a cube of sugar. Have you ever seen sugar cubes? They don't really, people don't really use these too much these days. Yeah, you can give them to your horses if you have horses. What happens if you take a sugar cube? It's really brittle, and you crunch it. What happens to the sugar cube? All right. Now, all of a sudden, you have all these little teensy pieces of sugar. You have the same amount. You see the word, Jasmine, when you go to the grocery store, have you ever bought sugar, you see the word granulated? That just means tiny grains, okay? Tiny grains of sugar. Let's say that you have 1 cubic centimeter or 1 milliliter of a sugar cube and you break it up, all right? Now, if that sugar cube weighs, let's say it weighs 1 gram, okay? You still have 1 gram once you've broken the whole thing up, correct? Yes? Okay, but your volume, all right, your cubic centimeters or your milliliters are going to increase by quite a bit, okay? Now, I'm just going to guess. Let's say we now have 12 milliliters, okay, of exposed surface area, all right? What am I doing wrong? Area. Is this the right formula for, the unit for area?
No.
No, not at all, okay? What unit do I need to use for area? Area. Think about measuring out like a plot of land.
Centimeters squared.
Meters squared, centimeters squared, something like that. Okay? So let's say I have 1 square centimeter, then over here I might have 12 square centimeters. All right? So what that means is the area of sugar that's exposed to, let's say you're burning it. Do you know that you can burn sugar? Okay?
Does it turn brown?
Yes, yes, and that's how caramel. Have you ever cooked onions long enough that they start turning brown?
Yes.
Okay, the natural sugars, caramelized onions. The natural sugars in onion caramelize, which is a chemical reaction. That's why you see that brown color, that new color forming. Okay, and it changes the flavor. Doesn't it change the flavor? It makes them sweet. All right, they're really good. Okay. But what you've done is you've released enough of the sugar gets caramelized, all right, and you have that yummy flavor. When you grow up and you start cooking, or if you go to cooking school, you're going to take chemistry and science classes to learn cooking. At University of Georgia, they have chemistry of chocolate. It's a course, okay? It's a college course. So, yeah, chocolate has a lot of chemistry as far as, you know, the formation of chocolate, the different reactions that chocolate can undergo, etc. All right? Now, this increased surface area will do what? Will it react more or less slowly than the sugar cube? Kat, will this react more or less slowly in a reaction, let's say with oxygen, than the sugar cube? More, okay? So how are we going to summarize that? Increased surface area speeds up a reaction.